shout to me and you to write our story.
I can't make it. I'm tired already. My legs is hurting me. I think we need 20 kilometers or something to go in the lookout.
But wait, let's start at the beginning. I had already received a few hostile glares that day. And yes, this couple tried hard to avoid the camera, but it's what they did behind my back that amuses me. Well, I'm sure it meant something to them. Anyway, our story really begins right here. No, surprisingly, she hadn't been drinking.
I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me.
Tired.
Yes, we started off easy. Now the going is going to get a little bit harder.
I can't do it. I can't.
Oh my God, this is just like Noosa headlands all over again. On the map, that is where we thought we were going to be parking. Nope, not a chance in hell.
So we are going this trail and I'm already tired. I'm catching my breath.
A tree? No. Now that's a tree.
I can't make it. I'm tired already. My legs is hurting me. I think we need 20 kilometers or something to go in the lookout. I can't. I'm tired.
Now, I certainly hope there is something worth seeing up there. It's a bit of a trek. It's not as bad as other places, but I would be very disappointed to get up there and just see trees. I'll find out soon. Oh, come up here. Take a seat on the bench.
Oh my God!
Take a seat on the bench.
I made it. This is the
Enjoy
lookout.
the view. It's lovely. I like that tree over there. It's my favourite.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me.
What are you talking about? This is a good spot. Look.
Oh, you finally found yourself a view,
Of
did you?
course. This is a good spot.
I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action. What we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free. Let's go. Let's be free. Now looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow.
What's going on?